It is time, boys and girls, to talk about Shiba Inu. I know you've been waiting for a long time since my most viewed video in the crypto space is about Shiba Inu. There's a lot of updates that are happening right now in the Shiba Inu space. First, we have Shiba. It's raining Shiba Inu. We've talked about whales. Whales hold 51 trillion Shiba worth 735 mil. This is an article from Vinod Zuza on Watcher Guru, but we'll go more in depth and I'll show you which whales hold which. Actually, whales, the most traded tokens in the Ethereum wallets today is SHIB. It has been yesterday and has been in the last few days. We'll talk about who holds what, how is he acting with it, a lot as in conjunction with some technical analysis, trading ideas we have, and overall market sentiment. So just slap the like button, sit back, relax, let's have some fun. Let's see the Shiba Inu price. This is a trading idea I was checking from Mad Whale before checking any fundamentals. I want to show you, and before giving my opinion, I want to tell you and show you the most famous opinion on TradingView. It's for a pump. He's showing the trend line, resistance, parallel channel, support zones, basically suggesting a pump from here to within this channel. Based on the chart, the price is close to the major support and better stay in previous zone. They started. It's amazing pumping to the upside, and we expect to see gain and pump from here. Pay attention to the price shortcut, blah 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 blah. I don't care. And that's not a bad opinion. I'll tell you mine. Basically, I'm short a bunch of stuff. I tweeted about it a lot. Actually, the market is crashing as we speak. Bitcoin is crashing a lot, and there's a lot I have to say, and I want to get this video out there as soon as possible because there's going to be a lot of valuable information. First of all, Shiba Inu is the only token that is trending very, very strongly. Basically broke the downtrend, and then we had a breakout pattern, a Kulamagi pattern right here, breakout to the upside after a big crash and consolidation. Typical pattern for a huge win opportunity. I was probably going to take profits here. My stop loss would have been here. I would have gotten 1 to 4. I didn't manage to enter this trade, but I entered a bunch of other trades, scalp since the 4th of January, since this pump started. It's the only token that's not going down. So in general, my main target is the 1,900-ish area right here. It's a fair value gap. And these are my two targets, 1,668. The other ones are hit. This is if we continue to pump. The issue is that the crypto index is down for the day, as you can see. The Bitcoin is down for the day and will very likely crash. I've got an insane amount of longs. If you've seen my portfolio, I post my win and my trades on for free on Twitter. I'm up over 100% scalping, so that's a lot of trades, not luck, in the last 30 days. 160-ish% actually total in the last 30 days, which is very, very interesting. We had very comfortable market conditions, but we had very bad choppy markets in the last week since last Monday. So now Bitcoin is crashing. The dollar index is going up. It's going down last 1 hour, but in general it's going up, which means it's more likely for Bitcoin to crash. Gold is crashing and it's tied to Bitcoin. SPY, it's going up right now, but in general it's crashing. US30 is recovering from a crash, and I will trade the Nasdaq. I will short the Nasdaq right here. By the way, this video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet. These are some things I'm seeing, so I'll enter in some race to show you what I mean with everything that's going on. So here we are still bullish on Nasdaq, but I think we can definitely crash a little bit, at least to here, 12,241, but more likely a little bit lower. As you can see, the Nasdaq has been following this pattern of crashes and pumps very, very accurately. So a dump to here would be very, very doable. It's something I am expecting in general. Shiba Inu, I'm bearish on the market, and the only thing I'm not bearish about is Shiba Inu. I would not short it. I would never short it. I mean, I would not short it today. I'm green so much, man. I am up so much right now on these shorts. I've been shorting since pretty much here, all the way up, short, at it, and now I'm green. I took some profits right here with limit orders. I mentioned that in the morning. I had a video come out around here. I was bearish there. There's some news that you should know about Shiba Inu and on the macro. So first of all, reigning Shiba Inu whales hold 51 trillion. So whales are holding. It's not retail traders providing liquidity. Whales are holding this. It's reigning Shiba Inu tokens. Some nice property among the top 5,000 Ethereum whales wallet addresses. According to a recent report from WhaleStats, Shiba Inu is the second largest holding among the top Ethereum rich list as of February 2023. I showed you that as well. A rundown of the top $5,000 whale addresses shows that $735 million, and that's a large amount of the market cap. So they hold SHIB as much as they hold USDC and USDT. They should hold more SHIB than USDC. That's insane. That's very, very bullish. Terra, South Korea officials reach Serbia in search of Do Kwon. Everyone's searching for Do Kwon. Where did Do Kwon go? The Terra Luna debacle occurred nearly a year ago. May last year, actually. Wow, has it been a year? Am I the only one who feels it has been a few days, not 12 months? Not 12 months, it's like 8, but yeah. Following the crash, if you round it up, even 6 months is a year. Following the crash, the founder of the project went missing and even kickstarted a new project. And Luna's still around, by the way. While it is uncertain if the creator is in Serbia, so they're looking for him. But are Serbia cooperating with them? This is interesting. Oripol says he has returned the stolen. Has he returned the stolen money yet? All that money he secretly cashed out, like blah 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 blah. I find that Twitter is a good place for rumors. I've stolen no money, never had secret cash outs. Happy to address specific allegations. In any case, good day to you. What's the date of Terra Luna? Well, it's down a lot. I think they'll find him. I don't think he's that sophisticated. Bitcoin, what is the best defensive long entry for Bitcoin? Waiting for the crash to stop, because we have some things we're waiting for on the macro. Following the update on FTX, we were talking about the new CEO, John the Turtle or whatever salary, or Josh, or typical American name right here. 8 million FTX users DEP tokens to be burned. Here's why. Also, FTX are now wanting the money back they pay to politicians. I don't know if that works, but I don't think they'll get anything. Thousands of former FTX clients are eagerly waiting for their money as the bankruptcy proceedings move forward. According to the court filing, the exchange owes around 102 million to depositors. Moreover, the firm owes around 3.5 billion to its 50 biggest creditors. A bond token code FTX users DEPT was created by DEPT TAO for the biggest creditors with a $1 price tag and a 20 million initial supply. DEPT TAO said it will create extra tokens and airdrop them. Here it is. But yeah, they're being burned. Why? Enthusiasm has led to volatile shifts in price. Has increased as much as $113 because of the high demand. So decided that they were being fair in doing so. A few other news that I tweeted about, and if you want to follow the news very quickly, I post over 10 times per day with the most important news. Some people steal my artwork, but that's okay. They are losers and I will report them. Hopefully they burn and get banned. Some stranger things happen with Bitcoin market open. I'm super short. This is testing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. This is one very interesting thing. Grill just broke $1, no, $1,000. No one cares. Loki, Baby Doge is trending. We had a video on that. I'll have more to come. So here are two interesting articles from Berzinga Fed. Kashkari says aggressive rate hikes need to curb inflation. Haven't seen anything yet to lower my rate path. Head of the market open on Tuesday, a Fed official warned that the war against inflation is far from over. Obviously, what happened? The strong January payrolls report showed that the central banks has more work to do in its fight against inflation. Because everyone has a job, jobless claims. Yeah, U.S. economy added a lot of jobs, but people are still poor. The unemployment rate edged down to a 53-year-old low of 3.4%. A report released by the Labor Department last week showed economists estimate job gains of 187,000 for the month and a jobless rate of 3.6%. We have a job to do so. I don't know if this will work as good as we think, but we all want to be Warren Buffett's reading the intelligent investor, hoping for the best. Well, here, how did Warren Buffett's fund manager turn 70K into 264 mil? So, Ted Weschler, an investment manager at Berkshire Hathaway, broke his retirement account from 70 grand to 264 mil in less than 30 years with a simple approach. The massive fortune was first uncovered when ProPublica got a hold of Weschler's tax returns. In a perfect world, nobody would know about this account, he said. So he said that people found out. But now that the number is out there, I'm hopeful that some good can come out of it by serving as a motivation. He got an early start. The report indicates that Weschler started an IRA in 1984 at the age of 22, and by the time he was 27, he grew his account to 70 grand, which at the time, by the way, was a lot. By maxing out his contributions and doubling down by employer match, he quit his job as a financial analyst and began his journey in private equity. Despite getting off to a rocky start, he became unmonetized lessons. Weschler reportedly generated compound annual returns of 22% for more than a decade before he joined Berkshire Hathaway. That's insane in that world, because yeah, you can get 22% in a week trading crypto, but you don't have as much liquidity issues. Plus, hedge funds, they hedge their bets normally, so they would expect lesser returns. What's going on? Why is Bitcoin pumping again? Further, you can invest in Vanguard, they say, blah, 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 blah. You can actually get bonuses, $5,000 in bonuses. Just check my link in the description down below on BitGet. Let me know what token I should talk about early tomorrow. This is when I drop the next bomb, the next video. Let me know. I'm trying to work out as much as possible. 3,000 calories burned in the gym per week. That's my goal. So that would take me 300 minutes, which would be like 6 workouts at the start. 5 to 6 workouts. Not gonna be easy. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully I manage to pull it off. I think I need a day off. I went yesterday and today. I probably need a day off, and I should be good to work out again on Thursday. Let me know what you think. If you have some ideas, let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see a different style of video, let me know. I'm here for you guys and girls. It's really nice to meet you. If you're new, just subscribe. I want to meet you again. See you next one. Bye, boys and girls.